Update, Bila Padilla. I have a theory that a person shouldn't be away from Bohol or for too long. It's a freezing here in London right now. This was taken earlier this year when I was so stressed out by film of mine coming out. The swimsuit was gifted by the HM. Nag-react naman si Sara Labati at ibang mga celebrity dahil napakaganda at sexy nga naman ni Bila Padilla. Makikita sa photos, bagay sa kanya ang kulay at talaga namang kitang-kita ang kanyang cleavage. Very beautiful, ayon dito sa comment ng iba. Sana raw po ay bumalik na po kayo dito sa Bohol. We miss you so much. Please come back here in Bohol anytime. Beautiful Bella Padilla. I thought you were here in Bohol. Almost everything in one place, a home from away from home, convenient too, paradise ended. You can take the girl out of a city, but you can take the city out of the girl. What a nice, so beautiful, Bella Padilla. So, may nag-react dito na ibang mga celebrity na sana nga raw ay bumalik na si Bella dito. Mukhang naman nag-i-enjoy at talagang nagustuhan na nga ni Bella sa ibang bansa, manirahan, at kasama nga ang kanyang boyfriend. Napakaganda dito si Bella, lalong gumaganda ayon sa iba.